All right, guys. This is the middle five from that case. Middle five stack. Then we got the right hand stack right behind me. I just posted the last five from this case. So I just posted that break if some of you guys want to hop in that. But this is the middle five. Here we go. Press the random 5 times. All right, here's everybody in the break. Jamie at the top, Jim at the bottom. We'll press it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Robert's at the top, and Jim's at the bottom. All right, here's the divisions. Everybody's going to get one of them. We'll press it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. AFC South at the top, NFC East at the bottom. All right. Robert, AFC South. Jamie, AFC West. Josh, AFC North. Patrick, AFC East. Jason, NFC West. JJ, NFC South. Jamie, NFC North. And Jim with the NFC East. So there is how we were looking for break number 2. First 5 boxes were very nice. 2 Justin Jefferson autos, and we hit a Tua as well. So it was a very nice break for the first 5 boxes of this case. No one-of-ones. That's why I think XR Football's fun, is they always put a bunch of one-of-ones in there. We have not hit a one-of-one yet, but hopefully we hit a one-of-one in this half. All right, good luck, guys. 2 packs per box. Hopefully we stay away from the redemptions, even though Jefferson is never a bad auto to hit. Good luck. Starting off with A.J. Dillon, rookie running back for the Packers. And Aaron Rodgers. He's Mr. State Farm too, isn't he? State Farm Insurance. Zach Ertz, Philadelphia Eagles. And to 199, Laviska Shenault. Hey, we're going to try our best, Patrick. That 2-101 will be nice. When we hit it, you got to speak it into existence. 99, that's Antonio Gibson. And to the Steelers, that's 5 of 10, Hines Ward, gold jersey. Nice hit there for the Steelers. Former Bulldog. Hines Ward, gold. And I tell you what, this is a Joshua Kelly case. This is the 3rd Joshua Kelly card we've hit. Joshua Kelly to 49. Too bad it was not the 3rd Herbert we've hit. Joshua Kelly to 49, jersey autograph. That's to the Chargers. Pack number 2. Got our boy Jake Luton there on the back for the 1 and, what is it, 12, 13? How many more weeks of football we have left? The 1 and something Jaguars. Will Sunshine be their quarterback next year? Josh Allen. Bills are my pick to win the Super Bowl. We'll see if it happens. This is the 249, Jonathan Taylor, Colts. And to 249, that's Jamal Adams, now with the Seahawks. And to 149, this is Troy Aikman. And Colts going to hit here with a Michael Pittman Jr. jersey autograph. That's to 149, Colts. With a Michael Pittman Jr. jersey autograph. Not a bad one to get. Box number 2. why they fold these packs backwards in the box. I mean, I get they want the NFL trading cards to stick up, but sometimes it dings the corners on the cards if the packs are stuck in there a long time. These cards look okay to start, but sometimes when they seal them like that. Raekwon Davis, that's to the Dolphins. T.Y. Colts. DK Metcalf, Mr. Pink Hair himself, Seahawks. AJ Espinza, 249, rookie for the Bills. And Christian McCaffrey, that's to 249, Panthers with the McCaffrey. And this is LaMichael Perrine to 49, Jets. And we're going to get an Antonio Gandy Golden 3-color patch. That's to 49. That's to the Redskins. They're your division leader in the NFC East. I think at like 6 and 9. There's a Gandy Golden. How bad is that division? All right, starting off with DeAndre Swift, Lions rookie. Gronkowski scored a touchdown today. Sonny Michel. Jake Fromm, that's to 249 Bills. That's right, we hit a Justin Jefferson 1/1 earlier when this product first came out. I think Jim hit it. Wonder if he still has it. Or wonder if he sold it. Hunter Renfrow, check out that patch. 5 of 15 for the Raiders. He's got a ton of cards and a bunch of products. Popular player out of Clemson. That's 5 of 15 with the 3-color patch. Raiders. And we're going to get a Clavon Chiasen to 49. That's to the Jaguars. Box number 2. Still no Herbert card in this case. Hopefully there is some Herbert autos. We've hit his boy Joshua Kelly. AJ Espinza rookie. Hopefully we can trade in some of those Kellys for a Herb Nasty. Von Miller Broncos. This is, who's this? Brandon Cooks. Been on about 9 different teams in 6 different years, it feels like, for Brandon Cooks. This is a Nate Stanley to 249 Vikings. And a Anthony McFarland Jr. to 99 Steelers. Some more veteran patch. That's 3 of 5 Evan Ingram to the Giants. An Emerald. 3 of 5 Ingram to the Giants. That's the NFC East. That's a nice looking card. 2-color patch to the Giants. NFC East is Jim. And we got a Isaiah Coulter to 49. That's to the Texans. Rookie auto. I think Jamie way back in hit a Tua auto in this stuff. It was numbered to like 7 or something. Cam Akers. Rams. That's Drew Debo Samuel. Not numbered. Joe Mixon. Bengals. Josh Uche still has no picture in his Prism. He's still in his Michigan uniform. This same exact photo. So not sure what the deal with this. Here's my favorite player right now in the NFL, Mr. Dwayne Haskins. Going to show up to a strip club without a mask and then take pictures of yourself. Very smart guy, Mr. Haskins. This is an X Factor Justin Jefferson to 149. Vikings. How dumb could you be, Dwayne Haskins? And we got a Jalen Rigger. Check out that card. 37 of 49 RPA to the Eagles. The patches in this stuff are nasty. That's a 4-color patch. That would have been huge if that was a Jalen Hurts. 37 of 49 on the Rigger. Box number 4. This is Malcolm Perry, Dolphins. Seahawks, Russell Wilson. This is Nick Bosa, 49ers. Sam Hubbard, Bengals. That's to 249. This is Grant Delpit to the Brownies, 249. And Keyshawn Vaughn, 16 of 49, Vortex. That's to the Yuccaneers. Back-to-back Keyshawn Vaughn's coming up. Got a Keyshawn Vaughn triple jersey autograph to 149, Yuccaneers. With the back-to-back Keyshawn Vaughn. I wish that was a back-to-back Herbert or Burrow or Tua. But you got to take them when you get them. Back-to-back hits there for JJ. Duvernay rookie. Ravens. Mr. Scam Newton himself. Phillip Rivers. Colts. Nice veteran color here. Patrick Mahomes to 249. Chiefs. And AJ Green to 199. Bengals. And this is to 99. Steven Jackson. We're going to hit another Tua here, boys. Hopefully it's an auto, which I believe it will be. AFC East, this break is Patrick. You wanted your Tua, and you're going to get it. This is another 1 to 30. 16 of 30, Tua Tagovailoa jersey autograph. 2 Tuas in the same case. It is the Tua case, boys. Congrats, Patrick. Tua Tagovailoa, 2 Tua Tagovailoa autographs to 30. Nice. We will take it. Nice hit, Patrick. It's the Tua Tagovailoa case. We hit 2 Tuas in one of these cases as well that we did. Maybe Panini sent all their XR Tua autographs to Atlanta, Georgia. So I feel like we hit a ton of Tuas in this product. Nice hit, Patrick. Noah Igbaduchi, that's to the Dolphins. Mr. Scam Newton again. What am I doing? Phillip Rivers. Colts. Chase Young, blue, that's to 199. What a beast he is. This is the 75 Quintez Cephas Lions. Yeah, we can do round 3 today. Jason, we can do round 3 when it fills for sure. This is a Noah Font jumbo jersey to 49. What's up, Matt? Always a good Christmas. Had 2 little ones. Santa brought me some golf balls. And I needed a new sand wedge, too. How was y'all's Christmas? That's a Noah Font to 49. And we got a Van Jefferson to 49 acetate. These are really cool cards. And if you notice, they always put the college pictures in the background. The pro picture is in the forefront of that card. That's 15 of 49 on the Van Jefferson. All right, last pack. Oh, you got new irons, Patrick? Yeah, I needed a sand wedge. I wanted a 52 degree. Chase Young can't play golf today, though. It's like 20-something degrees outside in Atlanta, Georgia today. But at least the sun's out. Russell Wilson. This is a Nick Bosa, 49ers. Clyde Edwards-Helaire rookie to 249. Chiefs. Keenan Allen to 249. Chargers. Jake from State Farm to 149. Bills. And our last hit of the break gonna go to the Bears. It's a Cole Kmet jersey autograph to 199. Bears. So I can almost bet your bottom dollar that there is a 1 of 1 in the last 5 boxes of this break. I can't guarantee it, but I would bet some money on it that there's a 1 of 1 in these last 5, because like I said, that's what XR is known for. They put a lot of 1 of 1s in their product, and we haven't done a case without one. So hopefully the last 5 there is a 1 of 1. Cole Kmet jersey autograph 149. Van Jefferson acetate 99. Noah Font to 49 Broncos. This was a cool 4-color patch. Jalen Rigger to 49 RPA. Coulter to 49 Bears. Or excuse me, that was the Texans. Emerald patch, 2-color. That was 3 of 5 on the Ingram. Clavon Chainson to 49. Hunter Renfrow 3-color patch to 15 Raiders. Gandy Golden 3-color patch to 49 Ravens. Michael Pittman jersey autograph 149. Joshua Kellett jumbo jersey autograph to 49. And a Hines Ward gold jersey 5 of 10. We were 2 for 2 on the Tuas. Another Tua Tagovailoa jersey autograph. That was to 30. That went to Patrick. So a nice break for the Dolphins yet again. Oh, sweet, Matt. You found some Luis Roberts. First Bowmans. Yeah, Matt, hit me up. Let's play some golf next time it's nice outside. Maybe play around Gwinnett Country Club or somewhere up north. I don't care. All right, guys. Like I said, the other 5 are up right now. That baseball mixer is up right now. That Bowman First Edition's a really popular product. And I think those are our other 2 breaks up right now. Like I said, I'm around pretty much all day today, so when those fill, we could definitely break it. But appreciate it as always, guys, and we will see you next time.